Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Easy DIY. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Ever been puzzled by those glowing lights? Today we're breaking down the top 5 warning lights you can't afford to miss. First up, the check engine light. This one's a biggie. It could be something minor like a loose gas cap, or something major like a damaged engine. Don't take chances, get it checked ASAP. Next, the oil pressure warning light. Low oil pressure can wreck your engine. It might be low oil levels or a faulty oil pump. Either way, don't wait, get it fixed pronto. Third, the battery warning light. A faulty alternator or a dying battery can leave you stranded. If you see this light, head to the mechanic before your car stalls. Number 4, the brake warning light. This is a serious one, folks. It might mean low brake fluid or a brake system malfunction. Faulty brakes can lead to accidents, so get them checked immediately. Finally, the airbag warning light. If this light is on, your airbags might not deploy in an accident. Safety first, see a mechanic right away. So remember, don't ignore these 5 dashboard warning lights, they're there to keep you safe. If you see any of them, get your car checked out. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the road. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.
Subscribe to our channel, Easy DIY. Thank you.